how to get my first order on Fiverr. Are you wondering to get your first order on Fiverr? Okay, this video is for you. End of this video you will learn how to get your first order on Fiverr, what you should do, what should not, what you should check to get your first order on Fiverr. Okay, let's start.
Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
Hey guys, welcome back to TechWine. I'm Malik. I'm helping people to make some extra income and increase their passive income and also some tech solutions. If this is the first time you are in my video, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. Okay, this video is about how to get your first order on Fiverr. Let's start. I'm going to show, you're going to learn. Okay, getting your first order on Fiverr can be tricky for some sellers. In fact, this seems to be more difficult than ever with more and more new sellers are joining to the platform. But does that mean you should give up? Obviously not. And what you really need to know about how to get your first order on Fiverr is that the same process can be repeated to find even more customers in the future. The truth is, getting your first order on Fiverr is just to get the ball rolling, and after that, things become an awful lot easier. Let's check how to get order on Fiverr. What you should check. In case you might be asking yourself, it's quite common for selling to go several weeks waiting for the first order on Fiverr. In some cases, this can be down to bad luck, but most often the seller has failed to see that there's process to getting that first order. Firstly, let's look some key issues that sellers need to consider. You should check this before you're going to publish a gig. Okay guys, okay, number one is the Fiverr profile picture. You need a profile picture, you need a profile image that the buyer can trust. See those generic images with tacky writing on Fiverr? Avoid. See the stock images or selfies of a famous or actor or celebrity or some model. Guys, it's not going to work. Avoid those. Instead, choose a clear and real photograph with lots of pixels. In my opinion, headshots are the way forward and exactly what Fiverr wants you to upload. Why do I think Fiverr like headshots? Guys, this is the thing. Customer need to know who is going to do my work. It means who is going to create my logo or who is going to design my flyer, brochure or website, something. Who is going to do my work for me. They need to know you. That's the main thing. If you choose a photo like that, get your pic like very closely, something high resolution picture of your face, headshot. Take a pic of that and upload. They will know this is the guy. Yeah, okay, this one is going to design a logo for me. This guy is going to design a flyer. Yeah, he is the web developer, then he going to design my web. They'll know you. They like to know. They love to know. That's the main thing. They're going to click on your profile and they're going to click on your gigs, and that's the main key thing you should check. And the next one, number 2. Okay guys, this one is excellent gig description. Whatever you do, try to be unique and transparent in your gig description. Many sellers have poor grammar or spelling mistakes. which demonstrates nothing but carelessness. Anyway, though, the best way to create a compelling gig description is by checking out the best sellers on Fiverr. As a rule, explain precisely what you will do and try not to come across as vague or unreliable in any way. Uh, I have an idea to create a video about how to design. I mean, how to write a gig description in the future. Okay, guys, don't miss it. Okay, number 3 is your profile bio. Number 3, you need to know that your profile bio is important, and buyers will always check this out, especially if they need to convincing. Having a short and snappy bio can be quick way to assure potential buyers and show them that you mean business. That's the thing. And number 4, very important. This is very important one, guys. You should check this on. Okay, SEO and keywords. In case you might be asking yourself, keywords are placed in your gig description to tell Fiverr what you do. For example, if you do logo design, if you are a graphic designer, you do logo designs. Alright, then you will need to have those actual words: logo design, minimal logo design, minimal logo, modern logo, something like that. Those keywords strategically placed in the gig description. Also make sure that you include a similar keyword on the gig description, gig title, and profile bio. If you are a graphic designer, you are doing logo designs, then gig title, give I'll design minimal logo for you, I'll design modern logos, I'll design flyer for you, and then you should put it into your gig description also. Guys, that's the thing in this tech. Okay, now what you should do to get your first Fiverr order. Okay, guys, target users on social media. Simply put, without traffic, you will have no orders. For the reason, set out to find more traffic for your gig on social media. Needless to say, you can start by sharing this gig with friends, but in the long term, the following tactics are much better options. I like this one. Instagram. Follow entrepreneurs, website owners, and business owners. Interact with these people in the comments, but wait until at least 2 or 3 interactions before mentioning your Fiverr services. And next, social media as Facebook. This is a huge platform, guys. You're going to get lots of orders from this one. Facebook. Join digital norm groups on Facebook and let them know about your services. Digital norms are always on the look out of affordable services. And guys, LinkedIn. Use LinkedIn Helper to automate how you contact other users, guys. And this one is something like similar to Instagram. Is Pinterest, guys. Most website owners use Pinterest to drive traffic for a reason, and this reason also applies to get traffic to your Fiverr gigs. That's all. Create pins and get dropping them on a daily basis. If someone need to if someone need to do SEO for their website, you do SEO on Fiverr. That's your service you're doing on Fiverr. You can create a pin. You can pin on Fiverr, and they will search on Pinterest, or they will search in Google search bar, and it's guys, Pinterest pins are shows on Google search bar. Something. If you search for a movie, If that pin on the Pinterest, you can see, oh guys, it's not, I'm not going, I like to download that movie, but it's going to the Pinterest. You see guys, something, same thing you should do. Create a pin showing your service and put it on the Pinterest, and they will search on the Google or they will search on Pinterest. They'll get your pin, and via that pin they will come to your Fiverr account. You understand what I'm telling? That's the thing guys, okay? And okay guys, another one is use auto refresh extension. This was one of the best pieces of advice I received regarding how to get first order on Fiverr. Buyers are more likely to message sellers when they see them online. Guys, like this. Customers are like to message who sellers are who and online. However, Fiverr now locks you out from the platform or stops showing as being online when you are not browsing the site. This is the thing. Auto refresh is a free Chrome extension that keeps your Fiverr tab open and lets buyer know that you are online. Trust me, this means that you will receive more messages. They think you are online. They will crush on you, huh? Guys, this one is definitely work. They like to message sellers who are online. You got it? And another, this is the huge one, guys. Check this one. Check out Quora. Are you familiar with Quora? You know, post a question of kind and have some random Joe answer it. But why would random Joe answers? You see, Quora users give you answers in exchange for publicity. For what? Publicity. If you establish yourself on Quora as someone who answers a question about a topic, people will eventually check out your Quora profile to see what you do. Also, it's possible to drop a link to your gigs in these answers, but for the love of God, keep it relevant. Guys, customer service, that's the next one. Customer service. I keep telling new sellers that customer service is the most influential factor when it comes to getting your first order on Fiverr. When you finally exchange messages, that is, you finally exchange messages with potential buyer, this is an opportunity to make the sale. Moral of the story: be honest, be transparent, be friendly, and show interest. Keep them with you. Like this, if you're a graphic designer, they will give order to design logo for their company. Then you are so close to them, you become a friendly. Then they will give a next order to you. They are not going to another graphic designer. If they have to design a flyer or something like that, they will come to you. Guys, that's the thing. Okay, now what not to do to get your first order. You will hear many sellers advising that you should buy your own gigs, exchange reviews with other sellers, or create multiple profiles. Honestly, this is terrible advice. Stick to the Fiverr way and demonstrate that you are worth of the traffic. After all, if Fiverr love your profile, they are more likely to put you in front of more people. And that's it. My advice on how to get first order on Fiverr. I hope you found some value in my video, and please do let me know in the comments about your experience on Fiverr. Guys, That's all. I think this video is more valuable to you. You got lots of experience, lots of advices, valuable advices to express, to show, and how to get your first order on Fiverr. Now we all get the answer to the question how to get my first order on Fiverr. That's all, guys. I'm Malik for TechWine. If you like this video, smash that like button, give me a comment, share with your friends. Enjoy. Have a nice day, guys. I'm Malik.